All right, let's start off this video the right way with a cold start. Let's get this thing going. All right, we are currently on the way to my boy Ty's house. We are picking up his old catch can and installing it on the car. We got Marcus with us as usual. Honestly, something we did definitely need this mod for the car. It's not the most exciting, but I mean, now that we have the Whipple, it's needed. Yeah, as I say, it's pretty much needed now that we have the Whipple. So I'm going to pick that up for a pretty good deal, slap it on the car, and then hopefully afterwards, I really want to get my suspension done as well, and then I want to figure out some front runners. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet.
Polished F14s.
Yeah, as I say, he was saying, do F14s.
Polish them.
Polish the F14s, do like an 18x5 on the front, and then have them polished so they kind of match the Lagunas in the rear. Because I saw Lagunas on a Mustang. It was like the same setup as mine, but they also had them in the front. And I wasn't the biggest fan, I'm not gonna lie. So I think I might try something different and do F14s and then polish them. And if I don't like how they match up with the Lagunas, then I'll just go ahead and get the rear F14s as well, sell the Lagunas, and then we'll just run a full F14 setup. But yeah, we're about to pull up to his house in like 5-ish minutes. So I'll put down the camera until then, and I'll catch up with y'all when we get there. All right, we pulling up. We got the catch can right here. I'm gonna probably mount it right back here, and we got the lines. This just came off of his car. You got the ESS joint. What pulley is this?
The 105.
The 105. That should be making some steam.
Yep.
And it's a manual.
Put my 105 back on soon.
Yeah, this car was in my last video, I think, 2 videos ago at the car meet. But we gotta get him out. We gotta see that run. We gotta see that run. But yeah, we might have to make a AutoZone trip to get some fittings on this, but we getting it in.
Now we're in 3, 2, 1, go. What?
No, that shit's funny.
What? I'm keeping this in here.
No, you're not. We'll keep it in. All right, so we headed out. We did get the catch can installed. One of the like little lock rings on the check valve on the passenger side, you have to cut it off. So we were unable to do that, so we just capped it. And I'm gonna drive home where I have more tools, and I'm able to get that off. Unfortunately, got caught in the rain. Shit's sketch, man.
Yeah, drive very slow, bro.
Yeah,
drive like no more than 30 miles an hour.
No more than 30?
Yeah, bro, just drive it slow.
Yeah, Sam, we'll be alright, but yeah, I got caught in the rain. Fucking just washed this bitch too, and now
Texas for you.
yeah, shit's annoying. It didn't even say it was supposed to rain either. But yeah, we're gonna go home, and I'm gonna try and like get a razor blade or something, because I don't have like the proper tool for the little ring. So I'm gonna try and razor blade it and then gut it. So we'll try and get that fixed when we get back to the crib. But I'm excited. It was a what, UPR catch can?
Yep.
They're gonna want to know that. UPR,
It's the same one that I have on my car.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, UPR catch can, that's what it is. So we gotta get home and finish that. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright, y'all, came home and we did in fact get it on. We had to pop this off. I just literally chipped like a little piece and then put a screwdriver right here, pounded it out. It took like 2 little hits. It was real fragile, but and then this came out. I actually didn't have to hollow it out because my buddy gave me one that was already hauled out. So put that in there and then capped it off. So catch can is fully installed. We got it right here. Let me low-key get this light. Get this light for you guys. We got it installed right here, right with the coolant reservoir. We just put it right there. But yeah, everything's good to go. UPR catch can installed. All right, it is the next day. We are currently on the way to the E85 station. As you see, we ain't got no gas. I've been low-key putting this up for a minute, bro. I've been not trying to go to the gas station, so because the prices are so high, but we got to go today. So we headed there now. video a little longer. I'm actually a little curious to see the prices of fuel. I do know, like, it was like Monday or Tuesday night, like literally overnight they jumped 30 cents, but then I guess I was told they dropped 20 cents like yesterday, so fingers crossed. But yeah, gas prices are outrageous right now. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are paying per gallon, because I know last time I was at the station it was like $4.99 for 93, which is, I mean, that's just brutal. Also, last night redid my dash cam. I did the front and the back, took it off, reapplied like the sticky stuff, and I put them in better positions. The rear one wasn't really in the greatest position. It was like more off to the left and down, but now they're both good. Now I'm, you know, I feel like way more protected now. So happy about that, because low-key, like, driving in Texas without a dash cam, like, if I don't have a dash camera, I do not feel protected, I do not feel covered, and I would hate to, you know, get rear-ended or get hit. It's not my fault, and I don't have one of those, and, like, you know what I'm saying? So I just always have that thing plugged in. But yeah, we better get some E. I might POV on the way to the meet, I'm not sure. But if not, I'll just pick up when I get to the meat spot. Alright. Yeah, it did go down a little bit. It's at $4.85 a gallon for 93. $3.69 a gallon for E85. So yeah, it did go down just a little bit. Thankfully. We gotta do the whole race tool shit. If y'all don't know about this, this is how I calculate my E. Look at that, 11%. I haven't seen that in so long. I usually don't let it run that low, but so yeah, 3.5 gallons of E, almost 10 gallons of 93. That's gonna be brutal. Alright, I do not know what time it is. I just had the craziest non-skippable GTA cutscene of all time. Some like Jehovah's Witness shit. But that fill up just for 93, 47.59. And then whatever I put in for 85. But dude, my head is so, I don't even know what to say. You know what? I'm just gonna head to the meet. I'll see you guys there. Alright, yeah, we just pulled up to the meat spot. Low-key, some chill shit tonight. Some chill cars. Probably won't go over there too much because they got some music playing. Alright, they blasting some bullshit over there, so we over here now, but it's pretty much the same cars, not gonna lie. In the turnout, or sorry, in the VIPs, like the same cars y'all normally see. This thing looks really good. This thing is clean. And then yeah, the same, pretty much the same shit over here. Alright, is the next morning. My bad I didn't film much last night. That meet was kind of capped, I'm not gonna lie. There was only a couple cars there. Catch can finally on the car. We definitely needed that for a minute. I'm also gonna try in these videos, I would like to try and make them like a little more personal and show my face, like I did in that one clip with Marcus. I would do it right now, but I just woke up recording this outro and I have not showered yet, so I'm pretty crusty. But yeah, catch can on the vehicle. We'll check this in 1,000 miles and see, you know, how much we have accumulated in there. But I just want to outro this, pretty much just apologize for not really filming too much at the meet. There was like 5 cars. Let me know what catch can you guys are running. This is the UPR. This is the UPR Vent to the Atmosphere catch can. I think some people in the S650s also run duals as well, which I might be interested in low key, but we'll see more in the future. But if you guys all enjoyed, drop a like and a sub. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.